So you're in real estate and you want to sound smart, of course. Well, today we're going to show you about how to send out a housing market news update in the best, most impactful way. Because it's all about, at the end of the day, keeping in touch with the people that you know. You also want to stay top of mind, which is monumentally important in real estate. And obviously, that free lead generation is fantastic as well. Well, today we've got Darius here. He's the expert on the technology and the strategy, and he's going to walk us through this. Darius, take us through.
Right on, Rob. Thanks for that intro, guys. And I know those are three very important things for all of our real estate clients. One being free lead real estate generation, because you guys pay a ton for this and we want you to be able to do it for free. So let's go ahead and pull up the screen and I'm going to start with step one. Step one in sharing housing market news is to find your trusted source of housing market news. In this case, I like Housing Wire a lot because they make things very easy. You can see right here on the page, there's the latest news. And then you can sort through just this little list here, finding an article that's relevant for you. I found one here that's kind of relevant for everyone, or particularly people with dealing with VA buyers. So now we've found a really great piece of news to share with our audience, to social media for free lead gen, to stay top of mind with existing clients. This is the first idea. Now, this does not have to be the only one, right? Choose whatever source that you want that you feel comfortable reading from, being alerted by. This is step one. Now, step two, this is the Dubb desktop app, these controls you can see. And with just a few clicks, I can now make myself a part of this video. So I'm going to turn on my webcam where I can be any size, shape, location, part of this that I'd like. I can even zoom in, like say if my background was less than ideal, I can pan to find some things to give myself the best angle. Depending on which channel I'm posting this to for free lead gen or for my video email marketing, if this is for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, short form social media content, we can actually do this where I'm now going to take this browser and I'm going to move it all the way in. I'm going to make it skinny, just like this. I'm going to put myself in here, part of the article. And then now I'm going to select this option right here for a custom size. And this allows me to put a little frame around my video. And now when I go to record in that little frame, it's going to give me a perfect 9:16 video, which of course can be uploaded to social media, TikTok, Instagram Shorts, YouTube Shorts, all those vertical preference platforms can now be done with this one click. So you select your portrait and then actually bring your frame around it and then press record. You can also use a teleprompter here, guys. So if you are wondering what to say, you don't have to wonder anymore. You can actually either use the AI or do a summary of this yourself and then read directly from the teleprompter script while you're recording. And it's going to actually scroll at the speed and stuff that you need it. I encourage you guys to try to speak from your memory, but the teleprompter is an extremely powerful tool that makes this type of content creation so much easier. So this is how you'll record for those vertical platforms. And now one other method for delivering housing market news is going to be not a vertical style, but instead horizontal. So if you're going to power up your YouTube channel or you're going to post on LinkedIn or your email drip sequences where you'd prefer to have a full width video, you can do this as well. And instead of using the custom size or the portrait mode, you can simply not select that option. And now I can record here using my full screen. This is, guys, how you can use the Dubb desktop app to find and deliver the housing market news for your audience and then post this to your preferred social platforms for free lead generation, for staying top of mind, and also for keeping your finger on the pulse of what's happening. I remember when I had my real estate license, that was one thing. I was like, how do I sound smart when I'm talking about real estate? And this is one way to do that, is by having one of these trusted sources in your tool belt ready to access every day.
Darius, that was fantastic. So everyone out there in real estate, if you're a real estate professional, you just saw an amazingly effective way to get that housing market news update out there. And you saw the flexibility with being able to go to the portrait mode, landscape, whatever world you're living in, Dubb can meet you there with the technology. We also have the strategy background, everything. So come on into our training, dubb.com/T. Come join us. We're there every day, Monday through Friday. We have a lot of fun. It's a group setting. You're going to learn a lot. Come on in. And if you like this video here, give it a like, follow the channel, put a comment below. Let us know what you'd like for us to chat about next. And we look forward to seeing you at the next video. Bye, everybody.
See you guys.